What happens when you ignore self-care in the pursuit of success? Are you running on empty? Have you noticed warning signals, but they aren't on your car's dashboard? You have likely ignored self-care as you pursued success. If you neglect to care for yourself, you will not get to enjoy success in your life. Just like cars need regular maintenance, so do you. Yet, caring for ourselves is often not the highest priority on our list. We forego eating healthy, sleeping, and exercising. If we go too long, we pay for it. Consequences when you ignore self-care. For every action, there is a consequence. Sometimes, you won't reap the results for years. Other times, it can be immediate. When you ignore caring for yourself, you can expect a variety of issues, including, first, you start making mistakes, particularly dumb ones. Lack of sleep and other avenues of self-care leave your brain depleted. Soon, you find that you are making some rather silly mistakes and reaping the embarrassment that comes with it. Second, you struggle to prioritize. Everything becomes essential until you cannot determine what is of the highest importance. You may get lost in the details and fails to see the big picture. Third, your attitude becomes more judgmental. Failing to recharge and re-energize will leave you tired, grumpy, and critical of others. On top of that, you become more critical of yourself. Enter negative self-talk. Fourth, you make mountains out of molehills. Mama may have told you not to cry over spilled milk, but you can't help it. Emotional outbursts are your new normal, and your loved ones pay the price. Start self-care now. Don't neglect your needs. Seek out ways to put yourself first to be the best you possible. Start by getting enough sleep. Just like a toddler needs rest, so do adults. Our bodies need time to recoup. Your brain needs the opportunity to recharge, so do your cells. Aim for regular, restful sleep of between 7 to 8 hours. Eating healthy meals. Stop eating out. Stock up your refrigerator with nutrient-dense vittles and give your body the energy it needs. Make friends with your treadmill. You don't have to get on a treadmill specifically, but you do need to get up and move. Regular exercise helps you work off stress and aids you in sleeping. Success and self-care are not mutually exclusive. In reality, effective self-care aids you in reaching your goals and attaining your success. Start today to care for your body's needs.